Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Garmin CT10 sensors. First, make sure your Garmin golf device, like an approach watch or handheld, is fully charged. Also, check that each CT10 sensor has a fresh battery installed. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful pairing process, allowing you to track your shots accurately on the course. Let's get started with the initial setup steps. Before pairing, power on your Garmin golf device and navigate to its main menu. From there, you'll need to find the golf settings. Look for an option specifically labeled Golf Club Sensors or simply Club Sensors. This is where you'll manage all your CT10 connections. It's a straightforward process to get to this point, setting the stage for adding your sensors. Once you're in the Club Sensor menu, select the option to add New or Pair Sensor. Now, take one of your CT10 sensors and twist it firmly onto the end of a golf club. This action activates the sensor, making it discoverable by your Garmin device. Your device should then detect the sensor, confirm it's assigned to the correct club like your driver or putter. If you encounter issues, first ensure the sensor is very close to your Garmin device, ideally within 3½ inches. If a sensor still won't connect, try replacing its battery. Sometimes a low battery is the culprit. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset on your Garmin device, but remember this will erase your settings. These steps should help resolve most pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.